so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new and you're watching this video, hit that subscribe button. We are on the way to 10k and I cannot believe it, so thank you guys so much if you've already subscribed, but if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. I honestly would really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through all of the LUSH bath bombs I think you guys really need to try. If you've not tried them, you need to try these because these are the top dogs on the website at the moment. So the whole idea of this video is for me to go through the bath bombs on the website, sharing with you my absolute faves and the ones I think that you guys would really enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first bath bomb I think you guys would really enjoy is Groovy Kind of Love. This is a rainbow bath bomb. It looks stunning in and out of the water. I feel like by looking at it you can see why I really love this product. I think it's amazing. It has a really kind of fresh, like light, subtle scent. It's not overly empowering. It's not super sweet. It's a really lovely fragrance. So it's got all the colour, all the pizzazz, but it's not too in your face in terms of scent. Price wise, this one is $5.95, which I believe is a kind of average price for bath bombs from LUSH nowadays, which is quite expensive, but everything from there is quite expensive. So if you're happy to spend the coins, this one is amazing. The next one is an absolute favourite of mine and I've used this many a time, and that is the Comforter. Now you guys know there's a bubble bar called the Comforter which LUSH have had on their website for years, and this one is just such a lovely companion for that. If you don't want to use both, you don't have to, but this smells like Ribena. It's so good. I cannot praise this bath bomb enough. It smells sweet, it's Ribena-y, blackcurrant-y, amazingness, and it's only $3.95, which I think is really reasonable, especially because that's £2 cheaper than the previous one. I think that's amazing, and it is of similar size, so I don't really know why it's cheaper. I guess because there's less colours, I don't really know. Scent wise, this has Cassis Absolute and bergamot oil, which is what gives it that really blackcurrant-y kind of scent. It's amazing. Honestly, if you like sweet smells, which I know some of you probably don't, but if you like sweet smells, this one's amazing, and thank me later. Sticking with sweet scents, the next one I'm going to recommend is Marshmallow World. Now for you again, if you don't like sweet smells, I'm so sorry, but this one is just amazing. If you want that snow fairy, creamy candy kind of vibe, it's stunning. Hands down, amazing. Price wise, this one is $5.95 as well, so it is a similar price to the more expensive ones, but it definitely has that really nice luxurious aspect to it that I think makes it worthwhile, the $5.95. My skin always feels really soft after using it, and I just really love it. And if you love your sweet scents, like I've said, you'll love this. Hands down, such a beautiful bath bomb. The next bath bomb I had to put in here because it's one of my all-time faves, and that is Twilight. Now Twilight is a bath bomb which I have loved for probably the past 9 or 10 years. That makes me feel really old, and I feel a little bit freaked out that it's been that long. I am a grandma, honestly. Twilight is $5.95, so again it is definitely more on the affordable side, but this bath bomb is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. It's pink on the outside, blue on the middle. It has some silver luster in there, so it basically makes your bath look like a night sky, and I think that's just amazing, and I love that. But the scent of this is one of my all-time faves. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you will know that I'm a massive fan of Twilight. The scent, the films are okay, but the scent is amazing, and it smells like lavender and vanilla, so it's so relaxing, but it's got that sweet vanilla kind of undertone to it, so it's not just straight up garden smell, and I love it. The next one is for all of you Ariana Grande fans, and that is the Goddess bath bomb. Now I've had this bath bomb once and it was unbelievable. Let me tell you, this bath bomb, stunning. This bath bomb is $5.95, but it has a beautiful grown-up fragrance to it. It almost smells like an expensive designer perfume, and if you guys have smelt it, let me know if you agree, but that's the only way I can really describe it because it's such a unique and distinctive smell. I couldn't even tell you what was in it from smelling it, so I'm gonna have to peek at the ingredients. So inside the Goddess bath bomb you have jasmine, absolute, sandalwood oil, cocoa butter, and is it pronounced oud oil? It's O-U-D-H oil, and it looks like it's a wood, comes from wood I guess. It says it's a dark and woody fragrance, which definitely helps pinpoint it in the bath bomb. It has got that dark and woody kind of undertone, so I do really like it, and it just looks like a planet. and it looks amazing. So if you haven't tried it, get it and thank me later. It's unreal. Next up we have an oldie but a goodie, and the fact I'm calling this an oldie makes me feel a little bit sick because I was there when this one was released and I feel like that was yesterday. But this is the Intergalactic bath bomb. This is a stunning piece of machinery right here. It's glittery, it's pigmented, it looks like a planet. It makes your water so pigmented and sparkly you will have glitter on you for days after because it's so strong and concentrated in fragrance, in colour, and I feel like you could actually cut this in half and use it in 2 baths and still have a really wonderful experience. So that is kind of a bonus with this one, is you would save a little bit of money. Price wise this one is £4.95, so if you wanted to cut it in half it's definitely doable, and it would only mean you're spending £2.50 per bath instead of £5 per bath. It sounds a lot better. Scent wise, it has a very strong peppermint minty fresh fragrance, so it's so super lovely. But yeah, if you haven't ever tried this before, do give it a go, but don't wash your hair in the water because it might turn blue. So yeah, definitely a 10 out of 10. I love this one. The next bath bomb does have a special place in my heart, and that is Dragon's Egg. Now the reason I love this one is because this was the first bath bomb I bought from Lush when I got my job there, and it just holds so many memories. I absolutely love it. It's a very fresh lemongrass scent. To me it smells like sherbet and I love that, but it also has confetti, popping candy and gold glitter inside. Like, what more could you want in a bath bomb? I think that is stunning, and it's just lovely, and the water goes a beautiful orange with gold glitter, but it's not so much glitter that it would be stuck on you for a really long time, but it is a very distinctive amount of glitter, if you know what I mean. But this one's beautiful. I love it. It's definitely a lovely light classic fresh scent. Also price wise this one is £3.95, and I think for all of the experience you get with this one, so you get obviously the colour, the glitter, the confetti, the popping candy, it's so affordable compared to the others. I just think it's really, really great. Definitely great value for money, and the scent is lovely and fresh. Unless you don't like lemongrass, which kind of smells like lemony, sherbety smell, then you won't like it. But other than that, it's amazing. Another bath bomb which I definitely think is underrated is the Blackberry bath bomb. Now this one doesn't look overly exciting. It doesn't have any glitter, it doesn't have any popping candy, but it is a beautiful lavender kind of violet shade in the water. It's so, so nice, and the scent of this is just really clean and fresh. It's not really sweet, it's not really fruity, it's not floral. It's really hard to explain, but it's such a lovely scent that I really think you guys need to try it, because I don't use this one enough and I really, really miss it. So I think I am going to have to buy one very, very soon. Price wise it is only £3.95, so it is relatively affordable, and ingredients wise it has olibanum oil and bergamot oil. So when I think about that, I think about bergamot and then I think about the comforter, but it is a completely different scent to the comforter. It's not anything like it at all. It's almost got a musky kind of undertone. It's so good. Definitely underrated. Give it a try. You're welcome. And I'm going to finish this video off with a cheeky cocktail, kind of cheating, but I need to tell you guys about it, and that is the Big Blue and Sunnyside concoction, which we call at Lush mermaid water, and this is probably one of my favourite baths ever. So personally what I do is I put the Big Blue bath bomb inside one of those kind of, what are they called? You know, those little bags that have the holes in? Anyway, I put it in one of those. I put that in my bath because I'm not a fan of the seaweed part. I don't really like having to scoop all that out afterwards, so I just put it in a bag and then it kind of catches all of it anyway. And then I crumble in half a bar of the Sunnyside bubble bar, and let me tell you, this is the most amazing bath you will ever have. And you could cut Big Blue in half if you wanted to, so you could have 2 baths with both, but it's so good. It's so fun and definitely really nostalgic, and the scents together are really, really complimenting. Like, it's fresh, it's fruity, it's clean. Oh, it's amazing. So that one is kind of annoying because you'd have to kind of buy both products. The Big Blue bath bomb is £3.95 and I believe Sunnyside is around £5 or so, but it's so good. And if you have tried that, let me know and let me know your thoughts, because yeah, amazing combo. And yeah, oh, I need to get some of those as well. So those are all of the Lush bath bombs I'm going to suggest to you today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was just something a little bit different and just a really fun video to film, so I hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know down below if you've tried any of these bath bombs and what your thoughts were on each one, because I'd be really, really interested to know. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me over on my Instagram, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!